Okay, we got a package from Amazon. We gonna open this. My address is on the front, so we're gonna open it this way. I don't think I have no. Excited. Make sure y'all can see this. I need this so bad. So small. So here we have it. This is our new tripod stand with the Bluetooth remote, and it's a selfie stick too. So let's go ahead and open this. Y'all don't judge my nails. If you do, that's your business, because I don't really care. I don't care, but I mentioned it, right? That's funny. Okay, so anyways, y'all know we are recording content. You for sure need to have... Oh, let me put the light on, I guess. It's dark. I'm not redoing this, y'all. Y'all gonna have to get this in the dark. Okay, so... Yes. This is so freaking clutch. Okay, it says push. Let's take this tape off right here. And fully pull or push out back the extended stick to open or close the tripod. So we're gonna push here and see if this works. Okay, there we go. So it opens from the bottom. This is the Bluetooth remote. I don't think nothing's in there. So here we have the stand. This is how it opens. We have our remote right here for our phone. And this is where our phone goes. And this turns. And I'm sure this comes up more. So yeah, I can't wait, y'all, to be using this. Okay, we gotta figure out how to make it come up. Oh, there you go. Boom, you just pull it. Okay, I think it comes up a little further, but I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. New gadget.